Welcome to our channel, Rajesh. Today our topic is organisms and population. With this topic, we are completed all the chapters from the first year NCERT and second year NCERT, and cumulative tests are also completed. So before starting the session, let me check is our session is started or not, and is your voice is clear or not. Yes, the session just started. Yeah, Jnaneshwari and Chinnu, welcome. Good evening. Thank you for waiting for our session. So voice is also clear. So without any late, let's dive into the session and thank you so much for your likes. We have a app, Rajesh Biology. It is available in Google Play Store. And in this app, I'm going to conduct the free online demo classes also from tomorrow onwards. I'll tell you the time also on the topic also later. And in this app, free courses and free tests are available. Along with that, some are free paid materials, sorry, paid courses and paid tests are available. But the materials all are for free only. Okay, so here is the first question. Ganeshwari and Chinnu, try to solve these questions. Yeah, good evening, Chinnu, and hello, Ganeshwari. Yeah, hi. Hi to all from my side. Yeah, first one, dn by dt is equal to rn equation is related to the exponential growth, geometric growth, J-shaped curve, and nt is equal to n naught e power rt. Actually, all are related to the dn by dt only. Okay, so it is the exponential growth, geometric growth, J-shaped curve. Okay, so the right answer is all of the above. Yeah, Chinnu, correct. Another one is there, that is logistic growth, but it is all are related. Exponential growth is also called geometric growth, or it shows the J-shaped curve. Okay, come to the second question. Yeah, Chandrika, very good. Second question, the right answer is both 1 and 3. Pacific salmon fish and bamboo plant. Which among these breeds only once in lifetime? Pacific salmon fish is also only one time because after the hatching, it is going to die. Okay, egg laying, it is going to die. And bamboo plant also. Very good. Come to the third. Unbeatable insane. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome to the session. Third question. Which substance in calotropis gives itself protection against the predators? From tomorrow onwards, we will take some sessions in app also, or the continuation sessions, cumulative test, entire second year zoology, entire second year botany, or first year, second year together botany, first year, second year together zoology. Like this, some type of cumulative test we will conduct in the app. And from tomorrow onwards, I'll try to take the classes related to the this diseases also, and special classes or crash course I'll plan, and I'll let you know, and try to join in our new Telegram channel. Okay. Yeah, Aparna Patibanda, good evening. Welcome. Yes, come to the third question. The right answer is 4. Cardiac glycosides. Cardiac glycosides. Yes, 3, 4, right. Chinnu. Come to the ninth question. Which one of the following is not a parasite adaptation? Unbeatable incense says development of adhesive organs. You know, unbeatable incense, this adhesive organs means hooks, suckers. These are helpful for the anchoring the tissue and the sucking the blood. So adhesive organs is a adaptation of a parasite. Okay. What are the which of the following is not a parasitic adaptation? Loss of digestive organs or loss of reproductive capacity, loss of unnecessary sense organs. The right answer is loss of reproductive capacity is not an adaptation. Yes, excellent, Ganeshwari. Come to the fifth question. In our Rajesh biology, there is so many materials are there and study planners are also available. Lakhs of questions are available. You can practice, which are more than enough for your NEET examination preparation. Regarding to the biology, you can simply get 360 out of 360 in the NEET examination if you just practice the questions which are available in our Rajesh biology app. And every day I'm going to provide at least 4 to 5 materials. After the live session also I'm going to provide. Come to the fifth question. If a new habitat is just being colonized, which process may contribute more significantly to population growth? Yeah, fifth one, Chandrika and Gnaneshwari. Very good. It is immigration. More significantly, population growth. Instead of birth rate and death rate, immigration gives more contribution to that population. Come to the sixth question. Because it is newly formed colony, right? Come to the sixth question. If the female bee color pattern changes even slightly for any reason during evolution, then what is the effect on orchid ovaries? You know, ovaries, it is going to provide pseudo copulation to the bee. By giving that pseudo copulation, it get benefited with the pollen grains. One petal of orchid flower are also changed to maintain the resemblance. Yes, correct. Because to attract the male bees. Seventh question. Which plant spread rapidly into millions of hectares of rangeland in Australia in 1920s and was cause of great havoc? Yeah, it is very important and direct NCRT line it is also. Of course, all these questions are based on the NCRT only prepared. Unbeatable incenses, Bildona, no. Yes, Jnaneshwar, prickly pear cactus. Later, they release cactus eating biological predators. They release. It is one example of what is the purpose and use of biological predator. Come to the eighth question. Seventh, correct Chandrika, and eighth. What change occurs in body to overcome altitude sickness? Yeah, unbeatable instant, perfect. Increased RBC, decreased hemoglobin binding capacity, increased breathing rate. All of these. Correct Chinnu and unbeatable instant, very good. Come to the ninth question. So these are the different mock tests we have. And Biology Today magazine is also available in our app. You can read this after your examination also. You can refer to increase your subject. In nature, in interspecific competition, they point out that a species facing competition might evolve mechanism that promote coexistence rather than the exclusion. One such mechanism is. So, my dear students, from tomorrow onwards, lives will be conducted in our app Rajesh Biology only. Okay, I'm going to announce that. In Rajesh Biology, I'm going to take the live sessions and you can attend directly in the live and you can directly interact with me. Okay, come to the ninth question. Resource partitioning. Very good, 9-2. But nobody says that answer. Come to the 10th question. You are right. dn by dt is equal to Rn into k minus n by the k. Come to the 11th question. What is correct about amensalism? Yeah, Gnaneshwar and Chindu, right? What is correct about amensalism? Amensalism. Other is neither benefited nor harmed. That is called commensalism, Chandrika. But the question is asked about the amensalism. Remember the psycho. There is so many psycho movies are there, right? It is a psychoistic nature. One is harmed, another one is neither benefited nor harmed. This type of interaction is called amensalism, psychotic interaction. Amensalism. One species is harmed, another is unaffected. Yeah, best example humans only. We are going to throw the stones on the some dogs, and we are ready to beat some animals. For that, we didn't get any benefit, but that is going to become harmed. Come to the 12th question. Yeah, unbeatable instance says 12th 1. 1B. Okay. 2C. Regulation, maintain homeostasis, correct. Conforming. Conforming is body temperature changes as per the environment. Migration. Migration is a temporary movement. Suspension, escape unfavorable conditions. That is called suspension. So the right answer is 3. 12 3. Yeah, Gnaneshwari and Chinnu, perfect. Come to the 13th question. In our app, Rajesh Biology, not only the free material, free video lectures are also available. Regarding to these are the topics. And you can suggest our channel to your juniors, for your friends. Okay. And a few lectures are completely in English, like human reproduction, with complete lectures, with a detailed explanation, in-depth explanation is available in our app Rajesh Biology. So other out of the NCERT also I was explained in that videos. Demo videos are available in YouTube, you can observe. Which one of the following is the incorrect match? Mutation both are benefited, correct. Competition both are get lost, correct. Parasitism one is benefited, another one is lost, correct. Come to the predation, it is not like that. Predation is also just like the parasitism. It should be like this. Okay. Yeah, 13-3. Who says? Gnaneshwari, Chinnu. Very good. Come to the Chandrika also right. Come to the 14th question. Chinnu and Gnaneshwari, you said 4th. They have large surface area relative to their volume. Very small animals are rarely found in polar regions because of they have large surface area relative to their body volume. Correct. That's why they are not observed in the type of areas. 14th one, 4. Right answer. Gnaneshwari Chinnu. Perfect. Come to the 15th question and 16th question. You know, in our app, in Rajesh Biology app, I already explained the target NEET a short-term course for 6 chapters. Explanation both Telugu and English. And the 6 chapters are animal tissues, animal kingdom, earthworm, human reproduction and reproductive health, genetics. అంతేకాదు ఈ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్లో ప్రతి లైన్ నుంచి ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్లో అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి, ఒక టాపిక్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత గ్యామెటోజెనసిస్ అయింది, స్పెర్మటోజెనసిస్ నుంచి ప్రీవియస్గా అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏంటి, ఏ ఇయర్లో అడిగారు, క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా ఫామ్ చేశారు, ఇలా క్వశ్చన్స్ వైజ్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ డైలీ టెస్ట్లు అవన్నీ కూడా ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్లు. యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ విత్ దట్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఆల్ ఆర్ ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్. Weekly tests, grand tests, 3 grand tests are there, challenging grand tests based on these 6 chapters, 6 concepts, and notes and mind maps. Doubt clearing sessions are also available. Okay, and it is only for the 900 rupees, very cheapest, but still I am going to ready to give you the coupon code for 400 rupees. Then you can purchase this only for the 500 rupees. Come to the 15th question. The right answer is yes, Chinnu, you are correct. This is 2. C, D, E. Attributes are death rate and birth rate and sex ratio. Death and birth is not a attributes of population. It is a attribute of individual. Come to the 16th question. The 16th question, before I am telling the answer for the 16th question, you should know this 70 plus test papers which are available in our app Rajesh Biology. In this, ఒక పేపర్ కంప్లీట్లీ 2022 నీట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ, బాటనీ, జువాలజీ 200 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అలాంటిదే ఇంకొకటి 2023 ఏదైతే మీరు రాయబోతున్నారో ఫ్యూచర్లో దాన్ని గెస్ చేసి మేము పెట్టిన పేపర్ అది 2023 గెస్సింగ్ పేపర్. అండ్ అవి కాకుండా ఇంకా గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ వాటితో పాటు So many week tests and part tests of the different chapters are there. 70 plus tests are available. You can find all the tests in this, and it is available only for the 100 rupees. That means less than 2 rupees for one test. Okay. Come to this. The right answer is the urethermal. So who says the right answer? Chinnu, Gnaneshwari, Chandrika. Very good. And come to the 17th question. Assertion. Ecology at organismic level is essentially known as community ecology. Organismic level is known as community ecology. Okay. And reason. Ecology is a study of environment only. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of the assertion. Who says this answer? Chandrika, Gnaneshwari. Uh-huh. But both are wrong. Ecology is not a study of environment, it is their interactions of the individuals of this. And assertion is also wrong. Organismic level, how it becomes community ecology? Both assertion and reason is false. The right answer is 4. Come to the 18th question. Competition always occurs between closely related species compete for same resources that are limiting. Competition always occurs between closely related species compete for same resources that are limiting. Reason. Totally unrelated species could not compete for the same resources. Yeah, 18th question. Who are giving the answer for this? And before that, have you give a single like for this session? Already, I think Gnaneshwari and Chinnu already they provide one like because before I'm joining only, there is 2 likes are there. From the remaining members also, I'm expecting the likes. Okay, because a single like, a single share is enough for this type of efforts from my side. Yeah, everybody says one is both are assertion are correct and that is the correct explanation. But the thing is both are wrong. Competition is not occurs only between the close related species. It occurs between the two unrelated species also for the limited resources. Unrelated species also will compete. There is a competition between a fox and a dog. Fox and dog is also fight for the same type of resources. Within one forest also there is a lion and tiger which is going to fight with one another for the same type of food resources. Okay. All right. It is the next question. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to attempt the free test in our app Rajesh Biology. Okay, if you open that app, in the left upper corner, there is 3 bars. If you click on that, side menu will open. In that side menu, the 4th option is the free test. And you can select your favorite topic and you can go for the attempt of that test. In that, for every question, there is 4 marks and one negative marking is there. And the time is running on, that will shows you at the top. And just beside that time, there is a I button that is for the review. While you are solving that question, if you feel it is time waste to spend more time with this question, you can simply click on that review button. You can go for the next question. Before submitting, if there is time, it shows you how many questions you selected for the review, and they are shown in purple color. By clicking on that purple color button, you can directly reach your reviewed question and you can solve that. Then you can submit. After submission also, it immediately gives the result by comparing with the previous results also. Okay, like your rank and your result, and how much accuracy, how much time you take to solve that questions. Okay, everything, and it gives the solutions also, right? Come to the 19th question. The right answer is yes, Chinnu correct and Chandrika correct. The right answer is 0.4. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Next, 20th question. What percentage of PAR is captured by plants? Photosynthetically active radiation. What percentage? Yeah, 20th 3. Very good. 2 to 10%. Chinnu perfect. Come to the 21st. If n is the population density, Ganeshwari, correct? If n is the population density at time t, then its density at time t plus 1 is equal to what? 21st question. Yeah. 21 3. Very good. Chinnu correct. Nt plus 1 is equal to nt plus birth rate and immigration, both minus death rate and immigration. Correct. Come to the 22nd question. Saprophyte, parasite, lichens, and mycorrhiza. 22nd. Yeah, 22nd one. The right answer is A2, saprophyte, decomposition of dead organic materials, and B3, parasite is living on living plants of animals, and C4, lichens are the symbiotic association of algae and fungi, and D1, mycorrhiza, symbiotic association of fungi with plant roots. You should know this mycorrhiza, very very important. There is a chance to ask in a different manner for this mycorrhiza. Plant root and fungi, that is mycorrhiza. Fungi and algae, that is lichens. Okay, come to the 23rd. And lichen is not a parasitic relation, that is a mutualism. Come to the 23rd question. Yes, very good. Chandrika and Chinnu and Ganeshwari. Well, 23. Here it is the diagrams A, B, C. These are the diagrams you can observe in NCERT textbook also. The number of reproductive individuals is more than the post-reproductive individuals and pre-reproductive individuals in urn-shaped ace pyramid. In which A, B, C represent triangular, bell-shaped and urn-shaped ace pyramids. Which of the following statements is true? This is true. The number of reproductive individuals more than the post-reproductive individuals and pre-reproductive individuals in urn-shaped. 23.3, very good, Gnaneshwari. Come to the 24th question. And yesterday, day before yesterday, you all are asked me to why the Rajesh Biology Telegram channel is not opening. So I did my best to clear that copyright issue, but it is not open. So I created a new channel. Uh, I hope on you, even though I created a new channel, you can join in this new channel. So Rajesh Biology YouTube, the DP is like this with our app logo is the DP and it is the link. Rajesh Biology 1. All about science is the description. It is the Telegram channel. In this Telegram channel, I'm going to provide the links and the regular quizzes. When I have the free time, I'll post the questions before NEET examination. I'll try to post at least minimum 100 questions. Okay, like whenever I have a free time, one question, two questions like that. So try to join in this new group and just come out from the previous Telegram channel. Okay, yes, come to the 24th. The right answer is 3. Chinnu, very good. organisms, population, community, and biome. No, it is not 4. Rupa Mahesh, welcome. From the beginning, you are there. Now only observing your comments. Following graph shows become distribution with respect to annual temperature and precipitation. Yes, tell me. Yeah, Sai Gopal Tatwarthi, right? A. Desert, B. Grassland, C. Tropical forest, D. Temperate forest, and E. Coniferous forest, and F. Arctic and alpine tundra. So, fourth one is the right answer. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, correct. Here we have a new Telegram channel. The name is Rajesh Biology, same. Okay, same channel only I was created. With the same name, Rajesh Biology YouTube. So now you can observe the 89 subscribers in that, and this is the DP. Our app logo is the DP. All about science. It is the description. Link if you want to search, you can search like Rajesh Biology 1. Then it will be appear. You can join in that. I already send a few video links. Our live session links only I just send in that. Come to the 26th answer. Find out the correct statements among the following. The productivity and distribution of plants is also heavily dependent on water. Correct. Only A and B. Some organisms are tolerant of wide range of salinities called urehaline, while the others are restricted to narrow range of called stenohaline. Correct. Correct. ఓకే అది కూడా ఓపెన్ అవడం లేదు ఇది ఓపెన్ అవడం లేదా చిన్ను why it is not open. Okay, let me check it once also. If it is not open, how the 89 subscribers are there and how can I post all this? Rajesh Biology due to copyright and మళ్ళీ దీనికి కూడా రాజేష్ బయాలజీ 1 అని సెట్ చేసారా? Mammals of colder climates generally have the shorter ears and limbs to minimize the heat loss. This is called Allen's rule. Very, very important. It is very, very important. You should know this Allen's rule. Mammals of colder climates generally have the shorter ears and the limbs to minimize the heat loss. You know why the camels have the long limbs in deserts? Because to decrease the temperature or to increase the heat loss, the mammals like camels legs are very long. Okay, but the polar regions animals have the very short limbs. That's why they can very close to the earth. They can minimize the heat loss. ABC correct. If the age distribution for different members in population is plotted, the resulting structure is called the average community pyramid. That is wrong. ABC only correct. The answer is 3. Come to the 27th question. రాజేష్ బయాలజీ యూట్యూబ్ అని సెర్చ్ చేసాను సార్. నో అలా కాదు, రాజేష్ బయాలజీ 1 అని సెర్చ్ చేసి చూపించింది ఒకసారి. రాజేష్ బయాలజీ 1 అండ్ లోగో ఇంతకు ముందున్న లోగో కాదు. రాజేష్ బయాలజీ ఇప్పుడు నీకు స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, ఈ లోగో. పాతదానికి ఓన్లీ పిక్చర్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఈ లోగోతో ఒకటి వస్తుంది. రాజేష్ బయాలజీ 1 అని సెర్చ్ చేయి. నేను ఈ లైవ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీకు కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మన టెలిగ్రామ్ లింక్ పెడతాను. ఓకే, స్పేసెస్ ఏమి ఇవ్వద్దు. స్పేసెస్ ఏం లేకుండా రాజేష్ బయాలజీ 1 ఎలాంటి స్పేసెస్ ఇవ్వకుండా ట్రై చేయండి. అండ్ నేను ఒకసారి చూస్తాను. ఏమీ లేకపోతే కనుక నో ప్రాబ్లం, మనకి రాజేష్ బయాలజీ యాప్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యాప్లో మనం రెగ్యులర్గా మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను. క్విజెస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే కనుక టెస్ట్లో పెడదాం. ఓకే, ఆర్ న్యూ మొబైల్ నెంబర్ ఏదైనా తీసుకుని దాంతో నేను లాగిన్ అవ్వడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఎస్, జస్ట్ లీవ్ ఇట్. కమ్ టు ద 27th question. If in a pond there are 40 lotus plants last year and through reproduction 16 new plants are added, taking the current population 56, the birth rate will be. Yes, it is very important question. They will ask this type of questions. Last year 40 and through reproduction 16 new plants are added. 56. Yes, 0.4. Very good. 28. Yeah, Chinu, correct. 28. A biologist studied the population of rats in a barn. He found that the natality was 250, mortality was 240, immigration is 20, and emigration is 30. 250. Okay, the pen is not supporting me to draw that formula and mathematical things on the screen. So 250 natality, 240 mortality, 250 plus 20, 270 births and immigration, and 240 plus 30, 270. So 270 minus 270. 270 minus 270, 28, it is 0. Which ones are true about interdependence? Yes, correct, Chinnu and Ganeshwari. Come to the 29th and 30th questions. C and D only, or A and B only, A and C only, or B and C only? True. One is benefited and other is unaffected in mutualism. Both partners are benefited in commensalism. One kills and feeds on the other in predation. Both partners are benefited in mutualism. Yeah, 28, 29th, 4 Chandrika, very good. Come to the 30th question. Which one is not an obligatory relationship? Compulsory. Obligatory means compulsory relationship, which is not a obligatory relationship. Correct, Chinnu, that is 4 for 29th. Come to the 30th question. Yeah, Ganeshwari, correct. Lichens, mycobiont and phycobiont, mycorrhiza, higher plants and fungus, fig tree and wasp, cattle aggregate, and grazing cattle, which is not an obligatory, not compulsory. If we observe, yeah, it is not a fig tree and wasp, it is compulsory, Chandrika. So then only the both are can survive. If fig tree is not there, wasp cannot survive because it cannot locate the best locations for the breeding, and fig tree also don't have the another breeding techniques for, so it is compulsory. This is not obligatory. Cattle aggregate and grazing cattle. Yeah, Chinnu, correct. And come to here the 31st question. A high density of population in an area can result in can result in 31st question. Yeah, interspecific competition, not it is sorry, intraspecific competition, it is not interspecific competition. A high density of population in an area can result in, population is always present in the same species, individuals of the same species together called population, right? So within that, if there more density, intraspecific competition. Come to the 32. Which of the following are included under biotic factors to determine the habitat. Pathogenicity, predation, and parasitism are all of these. Very good, Chinu. All of these. Come to the 33. Which one is the example of morphological adaptation? Morphological adaptation. Thick layer of blubber in seal, urine concentration in kangaroo rat, spines in opuntia, movement of desert lizard in light exposure. The first one is actually the physical adaptation, we can say. Next one is physiological, and then next morphological, and then next behavioral adaptation. So 3 is the right answer. Janeshwari correct. Movement is actually the behavioral adaptation, Channu. Come to the 34th question. Whenever it want to move outside, it can move outside. We are also show sometimes behavioral adaptations. If there is more sunlight is there, we are trying to search for the shadow of tree. That is a behavioral adaptation. Enter into the an ATM or mall, behavioral adaptation. And releasing the sweat is a physiological adaptation. Having the sweat glands and everything, it is a physical adaptation like that. Come to the 34th question. Yeah, 34 1 Ganeshwari correct. And before that, Chinnu, you are right. Already discussed about that. It is the previous question. Come to the 35. Yes, 35. Chandrika right. Ganeshwari. Yes. A expanding population, B stable population, C declining population. 36. In the given figure, identify coniferous forest, Arctic or alpine tundra, and a tropical forest respectively. 36th question. Coniferous, Arctic, tundra, and tropical forest. Yeah, 36 2. Jnaneshwari correct. Chinnu right. And before that, Chandrika, very good. Tropical rainforests. Simply we can observe this. That's why it gives most of the options. But the remaining, you identified in a well manner. Very good. Come to the 37th question. Consider the following diagram. What is A, B, and C? Which curve out of ABC shows the evolutionary success of mammals? Yes, mammals are what? Yes, Jnaneshwari, very good. We are regulators, and it is the regulator which maintains the constant temperature. Come to the 38. Rup Mahesh, you are stuck at the 34th question. Now we are going to complete the 40th question. So try to click on your screen for several times on the right side of your screen. Then you will reach our current question. Come to the 38th question. Yeah, Chinnu correct. 38. It is the influence of environmental resistance. No, it is the influence of environmental resistance. K. K means carrying capacity. So that is the environmental resistance. Yes, correct, Chinnu and Chandrika. Come to the 39th question. Monarch butterfly is highly distasteful to its predator. It means prey and predator are close relationship. Prey can prevent itself by predator, and predator is a phytophagous species. A predator can overexploit the prey. Yeah, 39 2 is the right answer. Very good, Chinnu and Ganeshwari. Superb. Come to the 40th question. Lice on human, ticks on dogs, cuscuta on hedge plant, lichen, mycorrhiza and rhizobium in legume plants. How many are the examples of parasitism? Yes, here there is four interactions are there. Out of four, how many are uh, three, four, five? Okay, so one, two, three, four, five, six. Six are they given. Lichen on legume plants, mycorrhiza on legume plants, rhizobium in legume plants, like the total. Yes, come to the Gnaneshwari, you are right. Lice on human, ticks on dogs, cuscuta on hedge plant. These are the examples of parasitism. Come to the 41. Yeah, Rob Mahesh. I think you observed my comment now. 38th question you are saying the answer means. So you observed that. Come to the question number 41. 41. Yes, 39 to right, Rob Mahesh. Come to the question number 41. The right answer is choose the correctly matched option. Predation is not pseudocopulation. Parasitism is fungal hypo. No, it is yes, 40 is 1. 41 is 2. Wasp pollinator and fig inflorescence. Okay, come to the 42. Chandrika says the answer for the 42. Yes, right. Ecology is basically concerned with four levels of biological organization. Okay, which of the following is correct above the blank? 4. 43. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Many species of small plants growing in forests are adapted to photosynthesis optimally under very high light conditions. It is wrong. Very high light is wrong, very less light. Okay, 43, 3. Yeah, come to the 44th question. Yes, correct, Chinu. 44th. Select the correct option with regard to the given population growth curve. Rup Mahesh, try to answer the question number 44. Here, A is equal to resource are not limiting in the growth. dn by dt is equal to Rn. No, it is not correct. Actually, it is a k and k minus n by k means it is logistic growth. Here the formula is wrong related to the exponential growth. So the right answer is A is equal to plot is exponential. Nt is equal to n naught e power rt. This is the correct. B plot is logistic, but the formula is wrong. Come to the 45 question number. Which of the following statements are correct with regarding to the population? 45. Some species of insects and frogs are cryptically colored to avoid the being detected easily by the predator. Correct, actually it is. Lichens represent an intimate mutualistic relationship between a fungus and a photosynthesizing algae. This is also correct. Yeah, 45. Who says the answer? Chandrika says the answer as 4. All are correct. Actually, cam plants do adapt for the stomata. It is not a morphological thing. So it is wrong. Only C is incorrect. The right answer is 3. Okay. Cam plants, they adapt to open stomata during daytime. I think maybe it is night time. Cam cycle we can observe in desert plants, I think. Don't know much more about the botany, but the cycle stomata opens. This type of special cycle is observed in the xerophytes, maybe. So, and it is not a morphological adaptation. Come to the 46th question. Asymptote in a logistic growth curve is obtained when? Yes, correct. K is equal to N. Come to the 47th question. Superb. Chinnu and Gnaneshwari. 47th question. A pyramid with pre-reproductive individuals being more than reproductive individuals that the population is said to be. A pyramid with pre-reproductive individuals being more. Pre-reproductive is more. Okay. When compared with the post-reproductive. Post-reproductive individuals in a population said to be a expanding and triangular. So the right answer is given by the Chinnu. Very good. It is expanding and triangular. Yeah. Come to the 48th question. Find correct match with regarding to the A, B, and C and diagrammatic representation of organismic response. A regulators, no. A conformers, correct. And 99% of animals, nearly all plants are conformers. C partial regulators, correct. All birds and mammals are partial regulators, no. B conformers, no, that is regulators. So the right answer is option 2. 48-2, Chandrika. A is conformers and 99% animals and all the plants are conformers only. Okay, if you touch any plant during the summer season, it is somewhat hot. In winter season, it becomes cool. Okay, based on the environmental temperature, if the body temperature is also going to change, that is called a conformer. And all the plants are conformers only. They don't have a great physiological adaptation to regulate the body temperature. Partial conformer example we can observe camels and very few animals like that. The remaining all are the conformers only. Very few like mammals and birds are regulators. Come to the 49th question. Why mammals and birds are regulators? Because in birds and mammals, four-chambered heart is there. Because of the four-chambered heart, they are regulators. They can maintain the temperature in uh, a static level, in a required level. Yes, 49th question. The right answer is 3. Very good. 0.208. Immediately calculated, Chinnu. Superb. This is the last question. Our YouTube channel subscribers and viewers, students' favorite question. The question, if you give the answer for this, you are going to get the good marks in your future examinations. Super Chinnu. A human calculator or a normal mobile calculator only you use. So this is the question. Try to give the answer for this question. Last but not least, competitive exclusion principle states that more than one option is correct. What are that another option? Tell me the right options, Chandrika. Yeah, Gnaneshwari also gives that same answer. Competitive exclusion. Shrok Mahesh also. What are the two options? Are all the three options are correct? Two closely related species competing for the different resources cannot be coexist indefinitely. there is no competition for the different resources, it is definitely wrong. Competition never occur between the two individuals for the different resources. If there is a resources are different, there is no need to fight. Two closely related species competing for same resource can coexist indefinitely. It may be the correct. It may be the correct, but it is not told by the competitive exclusion principle. This is also not related to the competitive exclusion principle. Two closely related species competing for the same resource cannot coexist indefinitely. This is only the right answer. So yes, CHNSM and Chinnu, you both are correct. And of course, all are correct. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending and make this session successful with your presence. And from tomorrow onwards, I'll try to conduct the live sessions in our app. I'll let you know the topic and everything also. Today I'll finalize the topic and I'll prepare the slideshow. Within 1 or 2 days, I'm going to give you a beautiful gift, that is disease slides. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Chinnu and Ganeshwari. Have a nice day. See you.